How to fix Roblox not sending a two-step verification code? For this, we can go with use another verification method. Click it, and clicking after you have seen the backup codes are there. Click the backup code option and enter the backup code which are given before. Once you enabling the two-step verification, the backup codes are given. So you need to enter that backup codes. Once entering after, you need to click verify. Is successfully login now. So this is how to log in if the two-step verification is not opening. And the next step you need to give additional one. Go to settings, click security settings, scroll down, and if you not need the authentication means you need to disable it by using none and click confirm. Once you confirm after it will again asking the verification code. So you can go with the same backup codes and enter the backup codes which are given. Enter it and click verify. After completing this, we move on with the next step. Open up the browser and search for roblox.com/support. The support page will open. In this, enter your contact information, enter the username and email address which are given to the Roblox, and the issue description. You need to enter the device you have issue and type of categories like cannot log in and subcategory. You can give lost access to my two-step verification method or else go with other login issues. Click it and enter the description. So you need to enter the what is the exact issue you are facing and click continue. Once continue clicking after it will submit a request. Wait for Roblox support to verify the ownership and provide the code instruction. Depends on instruction you can follow the instruction and the issue will be solved. So this is how to fix it. Thanks for watching. For more videos stay tuned. Thank you.